we're gonna get a little cold start in. I think I parked my car about an hour ago from work, and the temperature, I think it's just above 20 right now, which is actually warmer than it's been. So we're just gonna see how long it takes to drop the oil pressure down to what I need it to be at idle. So yeah, it's a little high right now. I'm gonna wait till that gets down quite a bit. But, so after not being cranked for an hour, this is what she sounds like. V6 in there. I know it's kind of cold, but I did just get the motor worked on. Got a few internals added. That check engine light, it's gonna stay on until I get a tune to wipe off the air pump that we took off for emissions. Just kind of did an air pump delete, or block off plates rather on that. But we're gonna go find Kody in his twin-turboed V6 Mustang with EcoBoost turbos once we drop some oil pressure, and we're gonna see if his car will actually shoot flames. So as you see, I've been doing some major racing today. Hit 1.8 psi. By the way, that temperature is wrong. I'm not sure what's going on with my car. It's actually like 21. That'll cool down once we hit some wind for sure. But this is my first attempt at vlogging, so we'll see how that goes. My life's actually not that interesting, but you know, so are a lot of people's who's on YouTube right now. I'm gonna edit this part out, yeah, for sure. All right, so I'm where we're meeting. Kody just went back to a gas station to get a microfiber. I think he should be back any second. But this is what I like to see whenever my oil pressure is idling, rather than that 90 psi you saw earlier. So I try to keep it between the 20 and 40 range while idling before I take off. So yeah, in the cold I do have to sit here an extra minute. But you know what? If I can get it, my seat warmer works like a charm. So I think I see EcoBoost, I don't know what you call it. The EcoBoost twin turbo Mustang. Kody's pulling up in right now. Right meow. Whoop, hit the, what up?
What's up? Are you wanting to hop in over here or follow me? Like ride along?
I'll ride along so I can get some.
Just out of that side. Plugged in there, I guess.
Sick. Here's what this said. Flex fuel. Tight. Just use the green pump. I heard you get more torque.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
This is basically a diesel truck, so. Holy look how much is in that catch can.
You got a little bit,
a lot of mobile, from E85. Alright, so I need the tools.
So right now he's going to change out a coil pack, because the best place to do maintenance on your vehicle is at a gas station in 23 degrees. We're not the guys on road kill, by the way.
Dude, I can't believe how full that is. I feel like I should drain that real quick. I think this is the cracked one.
I guess we'll find out. You missed a 3000 GT.
I heard it.
Oh, did you?
Dude, there's a huge line in there. Come on now, there's so much thread on this. Yeah, I got some shrink sleeve on it, but it's like cracked all through here.
Well,
this came off a Ford Taurus, so I'm sure it'll work.
pick and pull special, $5.
Yeah. I sure didn't bring any tools though to like drain this out.
I mean, it still has room, right?
Yeah, but I mean, that's like a lot. And I've only been on the 85, like I've only driven a day or two on it. And so if we do a pull, I mean, worst case scenario, it just starts spewing out. It'd just be a mess.
Does it have like a bypass tube or something? Like on the side?
Nah.
To where it'll, is that,
it's just a
they're
vent.
not like where it'll spray out?
No, that's just a sight glass. It's just vent up here. I don't know.
So I had to buy a new cob filter for my car because apparently the one I had was making the map a little dirty. Probably from my mudding experts because it was still muddy from that.
That nice patch of ice right here, do a burnout.
Get that pineapple juice. Well, your VHT's a little cold down there. So what'd you do there, Kody?
This is a boosted pump. I've just been running it without it because as long as I'm not doing full throttle pulls or anything, I don't really need it. And it burned up my last pump, so I figured if it's not plugged in, it can't burn it up.
I think, hey, yeah, that's a good plan, right? So when was the last time you burned it up there, bud?
That's 2K.
So a 7-hour trip took us how many hours? 11?
Something like that.
Something like that. We had to stop every 30 minutes after Texarkana to air up. That was fun.
Busted a wheel. Got a nice crack in the wheel.
Oh yeah, that's actually the reason I'm.
Yeah. Fuel pump went out actually in Houston. Luckily.
Luckily. Yeah, I mean we put on the safety belt. Yeah, sick fender.
Oh, and the hood too. Like the whole like Raptor.
I'd say they found a deer, but they drove on baseline. They probably found a jaywalker.
All right, so worst case scenario is we don't get traction and I lose control and hit all these other cars.
Sounds good. Seatbelts and airbags, right?
Yeah.
Hey, I was in a FRS when we wrapped it around a telephone pole.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, Luke.
Been there, done that.
R.I.P. Black
Shout out
FRS.
Luke.
Like all that traction we didn't have?
Yeah. Well, no traction. It's still misfired. Well,
that was fun.
Yeah. So I don't know what to make of that.
I hope I got that. Just.
There's gonna be those guys that are like into keeping their car clean. They're like, no, they're gonna be freaking out.
Okay, so we're gonna try to do GoPro things. It's my first GoPro. And we're mounting it to the back of a dirty car in in the cold, so we'll see how well the suction cup mounts. The only thing is, I'm not... Don't talk about my dirty shoes, I swear to God, if somebody talks about my dirty shoes. Alright, so...
Alright, let's sit in the car.
Update camera. Later.
We can just go ahead and start recording it.
Hey, it came on. That's awesome. Usually it doesn't do that. I had it on my guitar at one time and it just... Dude, that's kind of a decent view.
Yeah. No, there's lights on both sides.
Car dudes.
Gotta get some cool pictures, dude. Need some content.
Got to. Content for what? Tell us what you do.
Follow me on Instagram, EcoBoost_for the win, FTW. Let me re-say that. Follow me on Instagram, EcoBoost_FTW. Lots of good content over there. Check it out.
So this is a Tesla?
Yeah, so it's the new model. It's LS swap.
Wait, you're gonna LS swap a Tesla? That's
Dude.
such a downgrade.
Hey, I actually saw a picture on Instagram where someone's LS swapping one.
Oh, they're so dumb.
It's funny though. It's bound to happen. LS swap everything.
Oh my god. Let me get out of your picture. Do you need my light on or off?
No, you're good.
Okay.
So I even popped the hood yet.
Super 6 Motorsports because it's just a V6.
Right.
If it was Super 8, that'd be a motel and I wouldn't get car work down there.
I'll leave the light on for you.
No, that's Motel 6.
Oh, what'd you say?
Super 8.
Oh. Well, we filled up a little bit, but at least we're not blowing over.
Look for these pics upcoming. Of course, my video will be out in the next year and a half because you know I'm so quick at. I still have a Memphis video I need to. Oh.
He looks like a human. All right.
I still have a Memphis video I need to upload, or first of all, edit and upload. All I've done is just file the videos, and we're about to get a Memphis again. So if you follow my channel, just know all the content's going to be about 6 months old.
I felt like I had something else to do while I was here.
Probably take me back to my car at some point.
Yeah. You gonna take me for a ride in your car?
Sure. It's not gonna be like juiced or anything.
That's
but
fine.
Yeah. Hook the
Damn, well, I
GoPro
wish
up.
that would have worked, that coil pack. I blew something off right here. I bet I know.
Yeah,
Didn't
Lord.
block the hole at all.
Oh my god, is that a Frontier?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I know that worked. The video. That's not where it goes.
So vlogs are nonsense, and tonight has literally just been that because there's misfire, whether it be due to a cracked coil pack or some type of leprechaun. Well, he's Italian though. I'm not really sure what would be against Italians.